Okay, Greens Yachts Renegade Biker 24 again. What you're looking at here is the kit that I got from Amazon, which I believe is going to help in repairing some of the O-rings from the vintage G.I. Joes. And I've added a few more O-rings to it, as well as some screws, and I will put a link to what this is in the description box where you all can take a look at it. But this top part here had a lot of these, which is the figure stands. And as you can tell here, this is 10 figure stands. So I think there was like 100 of these and 100 of these and 100 of these. Or I think there was 200, 100, 100. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description box to where you all can take a look at it. But these stands came with it, and I believe that if I'm going to get anything off of eBay, and if I get a lot that's got either broken legs or a broken crotch, or it's got a weak O-ring, that I can easily replace that O-ring. The problem with the O-ring replacement is sometimes when they had made these, I guess they didn't make them to where you could easily replace the O-rings on some figures, and I think Zartan is one of them. And I just wanted to show you this because this is what I now have, and I wanted to show you what I have for the G.I. Joes going forward, if there ever is any problem. And like I said, I will link where I got this from at Amazon in the description box, where you all can see about getting your own if you wanted to. If you have any vintage G.I. Joes that have problems with O-rings or broken crotches or legs that don't work, that is what I have here. But anyway, just wanted to show you this, and let me know what you think in the comments section below about this little kit that I got. And I think that you all will like this kit. I mean, it's a really good kit. And the extra O-rings I got were from a different order, in which I'll try and put that in the description box as well. But anyway, that's all I've got for you for today's vlog. Just wanted to let you know about this. But anyway, it's Renegade Biker 24. And I will talk to you all later.